It's no secret that Beijing has some of the world's worst traffic, even on a good day. Traffic is so bad in China's capital, in fact, that the government has limited who can drive on which days according to license plate number. The effectiveness of this strategy is limited, of course, given the aptitude of Chinese factories for producing fakes of just about everything. One part of the year during which all hell breaks loose on Beijing's roadways is at the end of the Chinese New Year each February. As families who've scrambled all over China to see relatives race to return to work, unfathomable traffic builds up on the freeways leading back into the city. It's unclear just how many people tend to be involved in these motorized stampedes, but reports of 35 to 50 lane traffic jams that go on literally for days are becoming more common, which of course makes sense when you consider that Chinese New Year is the world's largest annual human migration.